Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Shubhanki. This is a very impromptu kind of vlog that I have started just right now. I mean, I actually did not think that I am going to be vlogging this puja. Let me sit down for a while. Okay, so I did not think that I'm going to be vlogging this puja, but I don't know, I just felt like let's pick up my camera and like shoot a little bit, and in about an hour or two we are going to go out. Yeah, just go for pandal hopping. So I thought this is the perfect time to start the vlog, and I'm doing a day in my life, I think after a really long time. And I know I do love to vlog, but then somehow I really enjoy the process, but I don't know, somehow I don't get as much as views on my vlogs as much I get in other videos. Then I get a little bit demotivated, and wow, that is such a bad lighting. But anyway, so it's kind of pretty late. It's around 4 p.m. I think I'm going to do this vlog, continue this vlog till tomorrow afternoon maybe. So that is going to be 24 hours. It will be kind of day in my life during Durga Puja, since I'm a Bengali born and brought up and still living in Calcutta. So Durga Puja has been an integral part of my life. I've been seeing this literally my whole life, and I know it's a very important festival of all Bengalis, and even people from outside West Bengal come to visit Calcutta during this time. So I think some of you guys who watches my video are not from Calcutta and don't, wait, let me just fix this on my tripod. Okay, and don't know much about what happens during this time. So I thought, let me take you guys along with me, what I do. I basically don't do much. So today is Ashtami, which is the 8th day. It's a 10-day thing, like Navratri, but we basically tend to celebrate from the 6th to 10th. And so this is the 8th day. Literally, you have no idea how much I ate today. Literally too full. I mean, I don't know where to start. In the morning, I had one of my favorite food, which is luchi and payesh. It's like freezed payesh, which is, please tell me you can relate. Dessert when served cold tastes something else, like its flavor just gets heightened to something else. So I had that. Then I had a second breakfast, which is ghugni. Then I had lunch one, and then lunch two. And I know I'm like so high on carbs right now. I had 2 breakfasts, 2 lunches, and all of them contained a lot of carbs, mainly sugar. So yeah, I am kind of lazing around and like feeling like a little sleepy because of all the sugar that I had. But we are going to go pandal hopping. And what else? Oh, I don't feel good, by the way. I was feeling a little under the weather. Also, by the way, I think you are probably going to hear a lot of background noises because I did not put on my mic before starting the vlog. Silly me. Anyway, so what I was talking about? Okay, I was sick, by the way. Yeah, during Durga Puja I felt sick, and that's because of some serious reason. I'm feeling okay today because I had a lot of medicine yesterday, sorry. A lot of medicine yesterday, and today I was feeling like okayish. But last 2 days, which is the 6th, Shoshti and Chaptami, I'm really allergic to seasonal changes. So when there is a change of season and like the transition period, I catch cough and cold very easily. So it's seasonal. At one night while sleeping, my fan was full speed, and I even kept my windows open, so it was really windy as well. So, and I was shivering literally, but then I was feeling so lazy that I didn't wake up to either switch off the fan or close the window. So entire night I was like freezing, and when I woke up, yeah, throat was sore, and I was feeling a little, not to say feverish, but it's kind of around the margin. So basically I had few paracetamols and skipped ice cream offers from mommy, and I should pat my back for that because I have the greatest sweet tooth. But I'm literally going out to have ice cream today. So best of luck to me. I'm going to get ready, put on some makeup, and then go out. Okay, so I have fixed the phone on my vanity, and okay, so I'm going to get ready. I'm wearing this tee. It's a very simple white tee, and I'm going to show you my outfit anyway, but this is very basic. Yeah, it's my usual kind of day outfit. And the reason I bought this during Durga Puja is because I am not into any more fancy stuffs that I'm going to wear once a year. That's just a waste of money that I figured out. Perks of adulting, I guess. And so I went ahead and bought something that I'm gonna make use of more. So yeah, I'm going to wear this, and I'm going to do my makeup basically. Nothing much because I'm going to sweat a lot, so I'm going to just conceal my dark circles. Let's get ready. I'm running literally very late. I have to get out of my house literally in 10 minutes. Everybody is ready, so I'm not going to talk. Turn their backs in the past, now they wanna come back. Too bad I'm not practicing forgiveness.
times that they fucked up. Now they see me get some, can't eat while you standing in my kitchen. Yeah, I remember when you talked down, hands out, thinking that you getting some of us now. If you weren't there for the grassroots, I can't let you in, I'm sorry to break the band.
Okay, they still up in that beta stage. This should go and wake them up. 200 for a saving grace. I feel I wasn't paid enough. Predicting what I complain about when Ollie catch a major buzz. Hundreds too freshly pressed. Watch out for the paper cuts. The dude working, the tour coming. I'm poured up. The new burden is getting room service in foreign tongue. Boarding a Bombardier to fly to where I'm born from. And when I land a bad Insta influencers warm us. Women they loving the dude. I can't follow.
So it's all done. And this is basically my makeup. Oh, you can't actually see. Okay, I'll just post a picture. Now let's go.
Give me some time, stay for a while. Even in my dreams, come show me how. To change into condolence. I knew
Look at the crowd.
that I had to push on through. A week-long trip down memory lane. It's enough to drive me insane. I knew that I had to push on through, but all I could do was just cry. Give me some time, please don't go. Take me by the hand and show me why you're not here, why we're left here all alone. Give me some time, stay for a while. Even in my dreams, come show me how. How are we supposed to rise and move on when
Okay, so I just came back home and I'm fully drenched in sweat, and this is my makeup look. I thought I didn't show you guys what I did to my eyes, but it's really mask proof because I didn't put anything over here. And I'm just gonna remove everything, get undressed, put on my PJs and have ice cream. Yeah, that will be my dinner today. And I don't think I'm gonna film anything after that. Maybe I'll just come back in the morning. So bye. Hi everybody, I woke up super early today, but let me just fix this camera. Wait. So I woke up super early today, but I didn't film anything because I was so in hurry to shoot a video. The video went really good, but at the last minute there was a lot of dhols and dhaks and a lot of noise of chantings and prayers. Because today is Navami, it has to be a lot of sounds. I couldn't just escape that, but I tried to manage it by waking up super early. That's that. And also, hi, happy Navami. And yeah, I just did this makeup look and I just wanted to show you guys this before taking it off. And I know that video will go up before this video goes up, so probably you're gonna have seen this video, and if you didn't, go watch it, link in description. And I'm gonna just have tea and breakfast right now because I'm super famished. I just wanted to show you guys what the sound of dhaks and dhols from my house looks like. It's super noisy, but it's super good. It makes me feel all festive. But now that I started shooting the vlog and intended to show you guys the sound, I mean make you guys listen to the sound, it stopped. It's freaking stopped. So I'm gonna switch on the camera when it starts again. So yeah, bye. Okay, can you hear this right now? Yeah, that's the sound I'm talking about. Yeah, that is basically the sound. I'm not gonna talk. From Shoshti to Dashami, this is the sound that I get to hear.